Hello and welcome to video 9. Today we're going to be adding a couple of extra tracks and sounds from BandLab to add a bit of depth to our song. First, open up BandLab Sounds, and in the search bar we're going to type in Hype Shaker. We're going to look for a nice shaker to add some depth. The one that we are going to use is Hype 4 124 Shaker 4 bars. Once you've found it, drag it and drop it into a new track and it will load in. Once you've done this, drag this to the beginning of your project and loop it until the end of bar 22. Once you've done that, have a listen to see what it sounds like. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. This adds a bit more of that dance feel to the track. I'm just going to save my work before I forget. Now we're going to go back into BandLab Sounds again. This time I want you to type in Hype Bleep. Bit of a weird name, but it will make sense. Have a listen to the second one down. We're going to be dragging this one into a new track as well. This is going to start from the end of bar 8 and you're going to carry it on until the end of bar 32. Make sure to save your work and I will see you in the next video.